Hello everyone, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use HelloFresh. So right now I'm on my laptop, and so HelloFresh, if you haven't signed up just yet, you can use my link down below in the description in order to get a free box of meals with HelloFresh. Keep in mind it is an affiliate link disclaimer, so I will get $45 in credits of HelloFresh, but in order to sign up, go ahead and use that link. You'll get your first free box of meals. It's totally worth it. Now, when you first create your login, this is what your HelloFresh account is going to look like. So here you actually have your weeks. And so when you click on each week, you're going to be able to actually change your meals. And when you scroll down, these are going to be all the meals for that week. So you simply just click on change meals, and you can simply just add and remove different meals for each of the weeks. You can check out your past deliveries by clicking on this past deliveries tab as well. But I'd say the most important thing is actually adding in your meals and removing meals. So if I click on change meals, you're going to see that these three recipes here on top, this is what I currently have selected. So if I click the minus button, it's going to remove this meal. And if I click the plus button, it's going to add another 2 servings within my order. So right now I am only set to have 3 meals delivered per week. I'll show you in a second on how to actually edit those meals and actually change your preferences. But you can organize the recipes based on spring flavor, ready in 20. Fit and wholesome is like a more nutritious type of servings. They have one for veggie recipes, Mexican inspired favorites. They have bestsellers. You just simply scroll down and you can see all the recipes. If you click on a recipe, you're going to be able to see the total prep time, the calories. I don't really keep in mind the actual difficulty. My tip or recommendation would actually be to refrain from doing anything that requires mashing potatoes, just because mashing potatoes tends to take a bit longer. But here you're able to customize the protein, add some bread, add some salad. You can see all the ingredients. So the really cool thing about HelloFresh is that they literally give you all the ingredients that you need, especially like even in the ounces. So they'll actually give you a teaspoon of chili flakes or 2 tablespoons of garlic herb butter. Here you can see the nutrition values as well. So you got the fats, the calories, the protein, sugar, cholesterol, sodium. Here is where you'll actually see the step-by-step instructions if you want a preview of them. And if you simply just click out, there you have it. So when you go into your home page, a really important window to access is the account settings. So if you click on account settings and scroll down, this is where you're going to edit your meal preferences. So right now I have my menu preferences set to veggie, the number of people is 2, and the number of meals that I want per week is 3 meals per week. You can also change your delivery window over here by clicking on this edit button. So right now I have the delivery window set to Sunday between 8 to 8 p.m. I have my delivery address. And if you scroll down more, this is where you're actually able to edit your payment methods as well. Here, if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see some rewards that they just also have. Now, over here on the subscription status, this is where you're able to break or cancel your HelloFresh subscription. So if you click on Manage, you can scroll down and click on the Cancel Anyway button in order to cancel your HelloFresh subscription. Now, if you go on vacation, for example, so let's say you're going on vacation on the 28th, and you want to edit the delivery, this is where you can click on skip a week. So if you're not going to be here on the week of April 28th, you can simply just click on skip a week, and you will not be charged or delivered for the week of the 28th. So it works really, really well in that sense. But overall, that is a quick glimpse on how you use HelloFresh. And again, if you haven't signed up just yet, you can use my link down below in the description in order to get a free box, right? It's a free box of meals, and it's totally worth. I'd say everything I've had from HelloFresh thus far has tasted absolutely incredible. I'd say the only thing is like it's a bit time consuming to cook some things, but they literally give you all the ingredients and the step-by-step process in order to make these meals, all right?